Management is coordinating and overseeing the work activities of others so their activities are completed effectively and efficiently. This can also be said that it's an art and science of getting things done. In our previous video, we saw issues of management. Let's go through this, just a review. The issues of management are decision making assistance being everywhere is applicable to every phase concerned with achieving goals and is concerned with productivity. If you haven't watched the video, you can find out the link in description. If you want to learn the answer of this question, then just go through that video. Let's move on to our today's topic is levels of management. So there are three levels of management: first level managers, middle level managers, and top level managers. So today we're going to learn that who are they and what are their responsibilities and how they manage their work. So let's start with first level managers. First level managers are responsible for the daily management of line workers. Line workers are the employees who actually produce the product or offer the service. So they closely work with the lowest level of employees, the first level managers. The examples are shift supervisor, store manager, and department manager. They're called first level managers. They work with the laborers. Okay, now let's move on to middle level managers. Middle level managers carry out the goals set up by the top level of management and help the first level managers. So you can see in your picture, like top level management is sending the strategies and the goals to the middle level of management, and they give this information to the first level of management. So they work as a medium. So example of middle level managements are general manager. GM means general manager, PM means plant manager, and RM means regional managers. So this is the last level of management. It is called the top level of managers. So they are the leaders of the organizations. They make smart decisions and make crucial decisions. They create the goal and they try to achieve it by implementing and executing their strategies. Examples are CEO, CFO, Chief Operating Officer, or COO, VP means Vice President or President. So they are the top level managers. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you have liked it, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.